John Thornhills Ambassador Program. My name is Peter Eshiett Sr., and in this review of John Thornhills Ambassador Program, I will get you all the information for you to understand and decide whether John Thornhills Ambassador Program will work for you or not. Are you looking for a proven method that can help you generate thousands of dollars? Do you want some trick that you can implement to your business to increase to profit? If yes, then you need to try the John Thornhills Ambassador Program. Making money is not easy, but there are some rare tricks that many millionaires use, which can make you rich as well. Successful people know the art of generating wealth, which makes them different from ordinary people. But how can you recognize those techniques of making money? Is there any easy approach to fill up your bank balance? Yes, there is a method that can help you make easy money, but for that, you need to own John Thornhills Ambassador Program because this product holds all those rare tricks. What is John Thornhills Ambassador Program? This product will teach you how you can make money 24/7. It will show you the power of online business. Even if you have never done online business before, still this program is going to be easy for you. You will learn to create automated income streams that will generate sales from you every day. However, to make money, you will need to have a lot of traffic. Therefore, this product will guide you with the techniques of getting a large amount of traffic in a short time. You will discover 5 traffic methods that will work for everyone. The best part is it only needs you to work for 2 to 4 hours per week. You will learn how to get more results even after working for a few hours. The product further reveals about affiliate networks that you can use to make money. It will show you how John Thornhill was able to earn millions of dollars through ClickBank. You will get the same business model that John Thornhill applied to win more cash. However, you will only have to copy the model, and you will start getting exceptional results through it. About John Thornhill, the creator. John Thornhill is the creator of this product. He is among the top sellers on ClickBank. John knows how to generate more money through the affiliate model, and because of that, he was able to secure $1,362,342 through ClickBank. Further, John Thornhill is a coach who has supported many people in starting their business. Many people have produced a large revenue using John Thornhill techniques. Moreover, John has also made into the list of product of the day vendor, which shows that John knows which products you should choose to earn more money. Click the link in the description to join this program and attend the webinar. Click now. How does John Thornhills Ambassador Program work? This John Thornhills product uses an affiliate model for its working. There are multiple tricks and strategies that many top affiliate marketers apply to their digital business to generate more sales. You will come to know some of those top secrets via this product. However, the condition on which this product will work for you is that you have to implement all the tactics given in the product. You will get an easy-to-follow affiliate model that you only need to copy, so you are not going to find it hard while following this product. Secrets in John Thornhills Ambassador Program. You will get to know many business secrets in this product that can change your fortune. Set up business. Setting up an online business is one prime secret that we'll get to know in this product. This product will give you all the information that a beginner should know before starting an online business. Automated income stream. What if I tell you that you can make money 24/7? Yes, it's true, and this product will accommodate you to do so. You will discover to begin an automated income stream via it. Strategies. The product covers 5 different strategies for getting more traffic to the website. The traffic will be highly targeted, which will help you get more sales, resulting in winning more money. What comes with John Thornhills Ambassador Program? Webinar. You will access a free webinar through which you can decide whether you should buy this product or not. This webinar will show you how John Thornhill was able to make that much money. Affiliate networks. You are going to learn about affiliate networks. The product will show you the best affiliate network that will help you earn more profit in each sale. Draw traffic. Bringing traffic is the most difficult task that you can face during the online business. However, The John Thornhills Ambassador product will explain to you how you can get more targeted people on your online business. Sales. Once you get traffic through the tricks given in the product, the other task that you need to do is to generate sales. This program will show you how to force people to make sales through your affiliate link. Digital business. Even if you don't have any experience in doing digital business, then don't worry because of this product. This product will reveal the art of executing digital business with ease. Benefits of using John Thornhills Ambassador Program. 1. Generate revenue. One top advantage of using the Ambassador Program is that it will help you learn how to generate revenue. 2. Easy to follow. The Ambassador Program is easy to follow. Whether you are technical or non-technical, you will easily understand this product. 3. Risk-free, as there is a refund option with the Ambassador Program, so there is no risk in buying this product. You can get your money refund, and if the Ambassador Program does not show you the results which you wished for. Click the link in the description to join the webinar. Frequently asked questions. What is the cost of the John Thornhills Ambassador Program? You have to pay $497 to acquire this program. However, the program price is quite high, but you will get valuable information on the product. Is John Thornhills Ambassador Program a scam? No, this Ambassador Program is not a scam. It will give you results if you use it the right way. This product is straightforward, so you will not find any challenges while using it. How much can I earn through John Thornhills Ambassador Program? There is no limit to earning in this product. You can earn thousands or even millions of dollars via it. Pros. You will only have to copy the steps given in the product to get successful. It will teach you online business from beginning to advanced level. This program has tricks to draw more sales to get better revenue. The product will unveil how to bring more traffic to your business. You will get to know some proven formulas to make money online. You will only have to spend a few hours each week. Cons. It does not have an offline version. You might not like the price. Conclusion. I would recommend the John Thornhills Ambassador Program to all those people who want to start a new digital business but don't know what to do. This product is going to give you many new money-making opportunities which can change your financial situation. This product targets the affiliate program from beginning to advanced level. The John Thornhills Ambassador Program is going to be super easy if you follow all the tactics as provided. Also, the procedures given in the product are tested and have worked for many people, so you will also get the outcome through it if you implement it the right way. I have included a link in the description for you to get the funnels, software and the John Thornhills Ambassador Program as well as other leadership's programs to make you more money. Click the links to grab your copy as well as the funnels. Click the button below to learn more. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and give me a like if this video was of any value to you. Comment, share and smash the notification icon to get notified once I upload a new video. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.